Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Crispin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to properly apply mink strip lashes without the hassle, without making a mess. I'm going to use some tweezers. I removed mine out of my packet with tweezers. You don't have to, it's just what I do. So here we have the lash. You can see it's very good quality. It already kind of has like a curl to it, so you really won't have to use an eyelash curler when applying these. The glue I'm using today is the Strip Lash Adhesive. This is in the color black, and this is from Kiss Cosmetics. I usually use the Duo Lash Glue, but if we just want to be completely honest, I went to go buy me some lash glue, and I was being cheap. The Duo Lash Glue was like $6. This was like $3, so 6 versus 3. And I'm a mom, and I really promote like beauty on a budget, so yeah. It pretty much works the same. So what you want to do, you want to squeeze a little bit out. Ooh, wait. I squeezed a lot. So you have your lash, you have your glue. What you want to do, you want to squeeze just a little bit out. And mink lashes have a line here, which makes it very easy to know where to apply the glue. Sorry about my phone. But and I just place it right on that strip. And you want to let it sit and get tacky. You don't want to immediately put the glue on the lash and try to stick it on your eye, because it's just not going to stick how you want it to. It's going to be sliding, and you want to be able to just put it on there and it be on there. You just put it in place. And as you're going to see, I'm going to be looking down in this mirror that I have. It's better if you can kind of look down when applying your lashes. Let's just say this was a mirror. I'm not going to have my mirror right here trying to put on my lashes looking like eye level into the mirror. I kind of want to hold my mirror down and look down and put the lashes on. You want to place the lash. Using your tweezers, get the lash exactly where you want it. You can see the difference between the eye with the mink lash versus the eye without. See how that just gives your eyes a more bolder, dramatic look. That's what we want. We want bold and dramatic. I am using the Kim lashes from Ooh La La Lash Bar. You can shop them from oohlalalashbar.com. I will place it right here. Or you can use your hand if that's easier. In this case, it was easier to use my hand. Every time it's different, so I'm going in with some different tweezers. As you can see, these are very sharp and precise, and this is what I use to really blend my lashes into my real lashes. And if you happen to mess up, you can always take them off and reapply them. And we have our mink lashes on. Ooh la la lash. These lashes don't feel heavy. Sometimes when you get mink lashes, they can really like weigh your eyes down to where you're like, oh, my eyes are so heavy. But these really don't feel heavy on my eyes. They're really lightweight. I really can't even tell that I have them on. So be sure to shop these. Their shipping is super fast. The owner of the company is super nice, super sweet, so professional. I absolutely love this brand. If you're looking for a really good mink lash, I suggest you purchase these If you're following me on Instagram, look for my posts. You'll see a clip of this video. So just follow them, buy some, and you won't be disappointed. It's worth the money, it's worth the investment, because you get what you pay for. Like, let's just put that out there. You get what you pay for. So just think about it. Thanks for watching my video, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, please.